Hello, welcome. Here we gonna know about how does the internet works. To know perfect information about the internet, we should know about some history of it. On October 29, 1969, an organization called ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency, launched the first iteration of the internet, also known as ARPANET. This connecting four major computers at the University of Utah, UCSB, UCLA, and Stanford Research Institute. When this network of computers was connected, universities were able to access files and transmit information from one organization to the other, as well as internally. As researchers developed the system, they continued to connect computers from other universities, and then, ARPANET was renamed Internet. Who used the internet in the earliest stage? In its earliest days, the internet was only used by computer experts, scientists, engineers, and librarians who had to learn a complicated system in order to use it, but as the technology improved and consumers adapted, it became an essential tool for people around the globe. 1970s was a serious time of transition for the internet. Email was introduced in 1972, libraries across the country were linked, and above all, information exchange became more seamless thanks to Transport Control Protocol and Internet Protocol (TCP/IP) architecture. The invention of these protocols helped to standardize how information was sent and received over the web. In 1991, the University of Minnesota developed the first user-friendly internet interface, making it easier to access campus files and information. Now that you have some background on the evolution of the internet, let's tackle the question at hand: how does the internet work? The internet is a worldwide computer network that transmits a variety of data and media across interconnected devices. It works by using a packet routing network that follows Internet Protocol (IP) and Transport Control Protocol (TCP). When data is transferred over the internet, it's delivered in messages and packets. Data sent over the internet is called a message, but before messages get sent, they're broken up into tinier parts called packets. These messages and packets travel from one source to the next using Internet Protocol (IP) and Transport Control Protocol (TCP). IP is a system of rules that govern how information is sent from one computer to another computer over an internet connection. There are two types of IP. Public IP address, accessible over the internet. Private IP address, assigned to a device on a closed network such as a home or business network that's not accessible over the internet. For searching on internet, you type in a web address, known as a URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Each website has its own unique URL that signals to your ISP where you want to go. Your query is processed and pushed to your ISP. Your ISP has multiple servers which store and send data, like a NAP server, Network Access Protection, and a DNS, Domain Name Server. Example: Google.com becomes 64.233.191.255. Browser sends a Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) request to the target server to send a copy of the website to the client using TCP/IP. HTTP or HTTPS. HTTPS is more secure. Server approves request and sends a 200 OK message to client computer. Then, the server sends web page files to browser in the form of data packets. Enjoy browsing the internet. Thanks for watching. Make sure you have subscribed and liked the video so you will be the first one to get the new videos notification.